Is polycystic ovarian syndrome that scary? All you need to understand is that it is a metabolic syndrome and you can definitely reverse it and control it, but it's something that will stick on to you lifelong. I'm going to help you out with 5 simple ways which, by changing in your life, you can actually reverse the signs and symptoms of PCOS and make sure that your menstrual cycles come on time. The first one being exercise. Make sure that you exercise at least 5 days a week. Be realistic in your weight loss goals and don't do any kind of dramatic diet in which you drastically lose weight, because that also can affect you. Make sure that you healthily lose around 2 to 3 kgs per month. A 5% weight loss will definitely show changes in your menstrual cycle. The second one is a healthy diet which should constitute macro as well as micronutrients. You should have a low carb, low sugar and a low fat diet with high protein and high roughage. Make sure that you have 6 small meals rather than 3 large meals. This will definitely help you in losing weight too. Number 3 is reduce your stress levels. It could be physical stress, emotional stress, psychological stress. All these things definitely make changes in your menstrual cycle and worsen PCOS if not controlled. The fourth one is sleep. Sleep is very important. You need at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep every day. The fifth and most important is hydrate well. Make sure that you drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day so that you can cleanse your system and wash away those toxins. PCOD is nothing to be scared of. All you need to do is make lifestyle modifications and your symptoms will definitely be controlled.